Hey guys, 3 years on YouTube. Wow, what a ride. And now it's time for us to give you some thanks. Hey PoP Robots, it's hard to imagine that just 3 years ago, being a PoP robot and part of our fantastic community was just not a thing yet. We didn't exist. 3 years ago today, my wife and I shot our very first video, and I've linked it for you up in the top right. It's all kinds of shaky cam, unnecessary box tapping, carpet background goodness, and you can tell I was so shy in front of the camera. I just didn't know what to say next, even though I know the subject inside out. It's quite a fun memory to look back on. But it's also a wonderful opportunity for us to stop for a moment, think about it, reflect, and give thanks back to all of the wonderful people who've made this happen with us. Tomorrow also happens to be Thank You Patrons Day, organized by the cool folks from Patreon. And I wanted to combine and say thank you to them as well, because there's never one thing, is it? YouTube has been a fantastic discovery vehicle. I think that most of you would know my work from publishing it to YouTube, but it would not have happened, it would not have been successful without you guys, our fantastic Patreon supporters, getting behind this and helping us make it happen. Simply put, without the Patreon support, we would not have been able to continue making our YouTube videos for the past 3 years. Plus, there's been the incredible support from Ryan San Pedro and Hobbyco, and I'm not being overly dramatic. Without their support and Ryan's vision for what he believed we could do, this could not have happened, and we appreciate you guys dearly. So again, thank you very much, guys, for helping us to make this happen. We've just completed our first 3 years, which I feel is almost like the warm-up and trial period. There was so much to learn, and there's still so much to learn. We want to keep working, improving, and making all of this better for you so that the next 3 years is even more amazing. So again, thank you very much. Or as we'd say in Japan, 本当にありがとうございます。これからもよろしくお願いします. Which basically translates as, sincerely thank you very much. From now, please consider us favorably. That's hard to translate, but it means wish us luck, and we're looking forward to our continued relationship and partnership with you guys, the Paint on Plastic community. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye. Big thanks to Hobbyco and the visionary Ryan San Pedro for bringing the Japanese hobby to us locally. Roll call for the epic PoP Brobots. We super appreciate you. Ivan, Grant, Con, Jack, RJ, Tweets, Robert, Kelso, Kevin, Derek, Dom, Nick, John, Andy, Philippe, Jake, Pete, Ben, Commander Newbie, Hal, Kieran, Jody, Chris, Guy, Nelson, Matt, and Aviad. We sincerely appreciate you all. Thank you so very much. And of course, the Brobot Inner Circle, the awesome folks that make this happen. I couldn't do it without you. Always, thank you so very much. Please join us.